Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, we're going to talk about this reverse osmosis system that this brand sent to me for this video, and I've been trying for the past 2 days. I have to say that this is really good if your water, like your tap water, is not really good, and you kind of like trust in the filter of the fridge water, which is okay, actually, it's a good filter. But this goes the next level. I want to show you how it works in a few seconds. But bottom line, this is a 5 liters capacity that comes with 2, not 1, but 2. Check this out. That pincher over there, if I want, I can actually have cold water because it comes with 2 of these ones. So I do think that that one is really cool just to have something. For example, we've been using that one for taking cold water at night to the bed. So it's actually filtered water and taking that one to the bed. But of course, it comes with an LED display, touch panel, this 5-liter capacity, this container. You don't have to do any installation. And then it comes with a 7-stage filtration system, which each one of these ones, you don't know how much stuff is happening right there in the back of the actual filtration system. 7-stage, all the minerals, and also comes with an UV light that is going to actually help the last stage of the filtration system. And of course, you're going to have the better water, either here, right here with the pitcher, or even if you put a kind of like a tumbler or a water bottle or something like that with this one. And then you can even do hot water as fast as 3 to 5 seconds, which I think it is fantastic. Let's check it out. By the way, everything comes explained right here. You will have to do what it's kind of like the flush first. You're going to actually have to follow the system and flush the water and flush the actual filters, which is going to take you about, I want to say 15 to 20 minutes, no more than that. And that's everything you will need to do. Let's check it out. Okay, so as I was saying before, you have the kind of like main container right here that is 5 liters, so it will actually give you enough water, enough fluids to just actually get through the day or a couple days. So that's actually really good, but also comes with this one, which you can actually take and then take out, and you're gonna see where the water is coming out with that filter as well, and the UV light. And this has a magnet, so it's gonna be kind of like your stand, and then it has a magnet, so that's how you're gonna connect it back away. And then right here, this is where the magic happens. You have 60 milliliters, 90, 120, 200, 300, 500. You have the level of the filters right there when you need to replace them. You will have to replace them for a long time, trust me. And then you have the water heat, and you have the different levels for the hot water from 110 Fahrenheit to 200 Fahrenheit. So that's really good for coffee or tea. But then it's as simple as you can do 2 things. You can actually set up how much you want over there, or you can see that this one is not going to do anything until I do this, for example. It's now turned on, and it's going to start filtering. And then you have that filtered water that you need for taking a nice drink of fresh water. This, you can just like keep pressing, and then when you're done, you're done. You can actually select how much you want, 60 milliliters or just a little bit. And then you do this back again, and it cuts. It depends on what you want to do. You can actually press it 1 time, let it feel any of these measurements you have here, or you can press it twice, 1 to activate it, 1 to actually start dropping, and then 1 to stop it, and that's gonna be it. Let me actually sip a little bit of that nice water. But then what we're gonna do, we're gonna set it up in 185. You can see this one, so it's gonna take a few moments to actually heat up the water. It was in 73, so when it reaches the 185, I can actually start doing this. So now it's activated. This is normal water, as you can see back again, so I'm gonna stop it. And then I'm gonna do 165 now. So let's actually wait for that just a little bit. Well, there we go. I forgot that when it was doing the filtering, you can't do the hot water right away. So it's filtering right here. So that's why it's actually, opa, it's actually hot, because what you need to do is actually, let me show you. So let's stop this one. So here's what happened. Right now it's in 73. So if I do 150, if I don't actually enable that and actually start the process of heating up the water, it's gonna go back to the 73. It's not gonna do anything. So what you need to do, see, 73 back again. Let's say that I want 150. I lock it, heats up the water, and right now that water is actually 150. It's hot. It's not super, super hot because it's just 150, but it's hot enough. And then I stop it right away, and it stopped. This thing is just fantastic. 7-stage filtration system, 5 liters. You have actually this one to do the drop of water on your water bottle or your tumbler. You have this pitcher to leave it here for ambient water, or you have the other one that you can put in the fridge. And then you have the multiple levels of hot water from 110 to 200 and from 60 milliliters to 500 milliliters. You can see the source water, 452 after filtering, 003. This is your next water filtration system, reverse osmosis, no installation, kitchen countertop. Fantastic.